So then we have a triangle that then looks like this. And I'm just going to say that this side is 10 centimeter. I'm going to say, oops, I don't want that to look too funny to the viewers. So it's 10 centimeters. All right. And then at the bottom, we could say that the bottom is, say, 12. Let's just say 14 centimeter. And let's say that the other side is, let me just check this in my mind. That's going to be 24. That's going to be 36, 18. Okay, so let's just call this, say here, 12 centimeter. So one side is 10, one side is 12, and one side is 14. Now it's very, and oh, sorry, pardon me. The question is, find the area of, again, they like to label it, X, Y, Z. So find the area of X, Y, Z. So find the area of XYZ. XYZ is not a right angle triangle because there's no indication of that box in the corner. So we can't use half base times height because half base times height is the formula used to find the area of a triangle that is a right angled triangle. This is not. So we then have to move to another formula that may be available on our formula sheet at the front page of our question booklet on CSEC examination. We would therefore turn to this gentleman here by the name of Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, we know that there's two parts to it. You need to find the value of S. And in this case, as usual, guys, I'm not going to deviate from what I told you to do. I'm going to do it if you don't. I have to lead by example. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So, sir, can't I just go ahead and just add it and get my answer? Of course you can. You're not getting any extra marks to write down the formula. But this is how I teach. Write down your formula and then proceed to your calculation. So we have S is equal to any side, Miss Cherry, can be labeled A, any side can be labeled B, any side can be labeled C. So in this case, whatever you call A, B, and or C has no effect on your answer. So this time I'm just going to simply say 10 plus 12 plus 14, and then I'm going to divide the answer by 2. All right then, so 10 plus 12, that's 22. 22 plus 14, that's going to be 36. 36 divided by 2, that's going to give us 18 centimeter. So that becomes our semi-perimeter. Next, we're going to move to the A part of the calculation where A is then equal to square root. I'm still going to write my formula, guys. I know what it is, but I'm still writing my formula. Don't worry, this is not a 5. It's my S. Don't make that mistake and then say, sir, I think it was a 5. It's a S. So S, open bracket, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Close bracket. So then we have the square root of S, which we just calculated earlier to be 18. And then I'm going to open the bracket. I'm going to write 18 again. I'm going to minus the number that I refer to as A, which was 10. Because that's what I called A up here, right here, so 10. I'm going to open the bracket again, 18 once more. And I'm going to take away the next number, which is 12. I'm going to open the bracket for the final time. I'm going to put 18, take away 14. Close the bracket. And ensure that my square root sign goes all the way out. All right, square root then of 18. And from our PEMDAS class, we learned that bracket implies multiplication. So that's 18 multiplied by 18 take away 10. That's going to give us 8. 18 take away 12. Remember, guys, because no one else is sir, that look like R. I know what you guys will say. Sir, that looks like a R. So it was 12, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make that clear from now. This is so small, 12. Okay, so 18 comes back down. 18 take away 10 is 8. Multiplied then by 18 take away 12 is 6. And 18 take away 14 is 4. So then we proceed to just get one digit, one number underneath the square root. That becomes the square root of. And we proceed. Could somebody go ahead and multiply 18 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4?
3,456.
3,456. Can somebody confirm that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, then you proceed to look on your calculator. We have spoken about this function on this button function. It's usually the one that has a 2, or it's the one that has no 2. Look for that one. Be careful not to press the one with the 3. So go ahead. What is the square root of 3,456?
58.78.
Leon, I'm not hearing that.
58.78.
58?
0.78.
78. What comes after the 8?
7.
So 7, 9. If it's to 2 decimal places, 7, 9. Or you can just say 58.8. Doesn't matter. Squared centimeters. All right? Shanika, good job. Let us see if you get it right. It is 8:10. 1 extra minute. Press gas, people. My chat is not going off. Kevon, what's the problem? Miss Barrett, what's the problem? I'm a fast student, you know, I understand what going on. Never you're stuck?
I'm finished now.
Alright, that's Leah now. Miss Cherry, what going?
Sir, I didn't get some part of the question, so that's why I didn't start it. Sorry.
If you say it to me, man.
I'm
Tell
sorry.
me.
She didn't reach
Okay.
far ahead, that's why.
Okay.
All right.
All right. There you go. Makita. Oh, that's sir. To be yeah. All right, Mr. Lawman finish as well. Kevin, you know, don't finish no long time. We can show up, see. All right, Kevin, since I finished long time, please take us through this problem. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Come, Mr. Kevin. Remember, you're live on YouTube, so come. Kevin? Mr. Kevin? All right, Shanika, since you were the first one, because Kevin doesn't want to take up the challenge. Come,
Okay,
Shanika.
sir. Okay, so S equals A plus B plus C divided by 2.
Continue.
So for A, I have 11.3 plus B, which is 14.2, plus C, which is 9.7 divided by 2, and the answer would be 17.6 centimeters.
As in when you add up and divide by 2?
Yes, sir.
17.6?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Okay. On to the next part. A equals square root S open bracket S take away A close bracket open bracket S take away B close bracket open bracket S take away C equals to 18 open bracket 18 take away 11.3 close bracket open bracket 18 take away 14.2 and 18 take away 9.7 equals to square root square root 18 times 6.7 times 3.8 times 8.3 got a total of equals to square root 3,803.72. And the answer that I got is 61.67, but I rounded it off to 61.7 centimeters square.
I hope you're planning to be a teacher, Shanika.
Well, no, my profession has changed. It
Oh, you
was
were a teacher?
it was thinking about being a teacher, but working for pharmacists.
Both of them are very ambitious. So all the best.
Oh, thank you, sir.